My name's James Woolley. I'm a PhD third-year researcher in the Department of Theatre, Film and Television Studies, and I'm originally from Harrogate in North Yorkshire. I'm researching performance and archives and queer theory, so it's an interdisciplinary research project that's really looking at the convergence points of these three disciplines, working specifically with the artist Eddie Ladd and archiving her collection. The most important thing about doing a PhD is project management. You know, you're responsible for this project. This project's very much your baby, and you're responsible for making sure that it is of a high level. So the supervisors are really there to support and nurture you, but also to provide criticism and areas for improvement that are really productive. I mean, when it comes to the viva, you know, your supervisor's not going to be defending this thing, you are. And I think that's really important to always bear in mind that, you know, always be aware of what you think. Don't try and accommodate what other people want you to think. So just have the autonomy and the confidence to just say what you think. I enjoy teaching as part of my PhD. I do some teaching, and that's particularly rewarding as well, and that opportunity is presented to most PhD students in the department. The facilities that we have here in terms of theatre and performance, there's some great studio spaces that are available to PhD researchers, especially those doing practices research. They become invaluable. For PhDs in film and television studies, there's editing suites for those doing practices research as well. But the National Library of Wales also has newspaper archives for those doing reception studies or media studies and media and communication PhDs. So there's a wide range of facilities available for postgrad researchers. We're close to 50 PhD students, so there's a wide diversity of people of different backgrounds and cultures that really feeds into creating a research community that's really rewarding, but also really interesting and really diverse. If you're considering coming to do a PhD from further away, you can actually contact the staff and set up a dialogue, and they will help you refine your research proposal. So that option is always available if you get in touch with them with enough time. It's a really beautiful landscape. I mean, I've lived here for 6-7 years now, so that kind of speaks volumes. I think that I'm very settled here. There's some great places to go out socialising, some great places to go for a pint. There's so many social events that you can attend that aren't often attended by undergraduate students or even master's students. In terms of our PhD community, we're all really close, and we do go out together. We go for meals, or we go to the cinema, or we go to see a theatre performance. So that's really important. Creating an identity of TFTS postgrad researchers. I mean, what's great about being a postgrad researcher is that here you're really encouraged to present your work elsewhere, and that obviously creates invaluable connections and networking skills for the future. So if you are securing a job or want to secure a job in academia, networking with those people at conferences is really important, and it allows you to really build up a confidence for your own research and to really interrogate that research and reflect that research at a considerable high level.